Hello, lovely people. Welcome to the next lecture. How do we shuffle the cards? So, there's no rule, you can, however, you are comfortable, you take the cards, the deck, and you don't need to be an expert. You can start with just slowly taking a few cards from the middle, putting them on the top, again repeating the same thing slowly until you get the speed and hang of shuffling the cards. It's very simple. So some of the readers hold the card like this, some of the readers hold the cards like so. So whichever you are comfortable in, just shuffle as long as you feel it's enough, and once you're ready, place them on a surface, and then this is how you cut it, like about 1/3. There's no measurement, you just kind of cut that, and from here you put the cards, start laying the cards down from this portion. Okay, so it's all about how comfortable you are. Okay, there's no set. You don't need to get intimidated by if you cannot do the fancy way of shuffling cards. That's perfectly all right. Okay, so let's see in the next lecture. Thank you. Love and light.